Today, we will show you how to perform a pressure test using the contraction method in accordance with the current specifications of worksheet W402. We have already assembled and connected all components. In addition, all water-carrying components have been flushed to ensure they are no air. We explain how this works in our video, Commissioning Measurement Technology W402. First of all, we select the correct test method for our pressure test. Since this is a PE pipe, we select the menu item W400 contraction method. Next, we enter the pipe data. We select the material and outer diameter using the function keys F1 and F2, and enter the length of the pipe via the touch display. The two arrows above F2 confirm the entry and take us to the next page. Here, further pipe sections can be entered. We have the option of entering up to 3 pipe sections for a pressure test in the system. The next query in the device concerns the specifications. Here, you can select whether the MPP motor test pump should be remotely controlled via the Smart Memo. This is only possible if one of the MPP 3030 or MPP 7035 pumps is available and connected to the Smart Memo via the gray data cable. Pressure relief and the permissible relief volume are determined in accordance with the specifications in the regulations and must not be changed. We confirm the specifications via F2 and thus enter the pressure test, which we can now start with F2. A window appears asking whether the pressure buildup with the MPP should start automatically after the relaxation phase has elapsed. We can confirm this with F1. After the 1-hour relaxation phase has elapsed, the message, "MPP is being prepared," appears on the display, causing the motor test pump to automatically select the menu item, Remote Controlled Test Pressure, in order to apply pressure to the pipeline. The pressure buildup is shown in the Smart Memo and, according to the regulations, should take place within 10 minutes. Once the test pressure is reached, we automatically move on to the next phase of the pressure test. This starts with information on whether the calculated air volume is okay. This very useful additional function can be purchased with the motor test pumps mentioned above. We now enter the pressure keeping phase by pressing the F1 key. Over a period of 30 minutes, the set test pressure is automatically maintained by the motor test pump. After this time has elapsed, the MPP switches off automatically, and the Smart Memo continues the test in the rest phase. The rest phase lasts 1 hour, during which the maximum pressure drop must not exceed 20% and the minimum pressure drop must not fall below 10%. After 1 hour has elapsed, we confirm the message, "Rest phase ended," by pressing F2 to enter the manual pressure drop test. In this phase of the test, we now have 2 minutes to generate the specified pressure drop. Once the pressure has been reached, the device automatically switches to the next phase, where the criteria from the regulations must be met over a period of 30 minutes in the main test. Once the pressure reduction has been documented, a screen appears at the end of the pressure test with the main criteria and an evaluation of the test. Press the F1 key to access the options for entering data. A total of 7 parameters are listed here, which can be filled with information. Press the F2 key to finish entering the 7th parameter. An additional confirmation message appears: Finalize measurement and entries, which we confirm by pressing the Enter key. To create the documentation, we go back to the options and send our pressure test via the menu item, Send Data via LTE. The measurement is now sent to the email addresses stored in the device and also saved in the Esders cloud, which the customer can access via connect.esders.de with the customer's login details.